Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the Boolean modifier. What this uh, modifier does. Let us uh, go and put a cube here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to shift and right click. I'll put a cube here and make a cube smaller, and let us see what we are going to do. For example, if I want to cut this cube, I have to put a cube inside it. Okay, so for example, if I select this, I'm going to Boolean modifier, and I selected this to be affected, and it says me which object you want to cut. I will say I'll click on this, and I'll click on the cube 1, and nothing happened. You see? But if I go to Z, if I click on Z and go wireframe, you see that I just cut this cube by this small cube. How? By putting it on difference. If I put it on union means that it will attach, this cube will attach to this one. Intersect, it means that this will be disappeared, and how much the cube, this cube, small cube, will take a part of the big cube. That's how this Boolean works. Let's go to the solid mode and let us click on delete, and I'll do on all of them. Let's do Shift D, Z, Shift D on X, I mean, and this one G, X. Okay, let me put a modifier here, Boolean modifier. I'll do it with difference, and I'll click on this one, and I'll say apply, and nothing happened. You'll have to delete this one, this small cube, and you can see the difference. Okay, let's go to this one and let's do Boolean, and I'm going to put it on union, and I'll click on this, and I'll say apply, and I'll delete this, and you see that both of them is attached because it's union, to be attached together. Union is coming together. And we will go to here and do Boolean and go to the intersect, and I will click on this, and you see that when I apply it and delete this cube, it will take this one. You see how much this small is inserted here. This much is going to be here. Okay, I hope you understood. And this was a Boolean. Maybe you'll say, what's the benefit of this? And now I'll tell you what's the benefit of this, and let me show you. For example, if I have let me put something like this, and SZ, for example, let me put this one Z like there, and what I'm going to do is S and make it smaller. I'll make a floor here. Okay, I'll make a floor here, and Control R. I'll put something here, and Control R. I'll put a wall here. And what I'm going to do is that I'll make these segments dissolve. Let me see. Dissolve the edge. Dissolve the edge. Oh, okay, no problem. We will take this one and this one, and press E. You see, we have now something like this. And when I'm going to here, what I'm going to do is I'll put a cube here, shift C, I'll put it in the center, Shift A, I'll put, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a cube here. I'll go out from the object edit mode. I'm going to put a cube, and going to N. To N, I'll go to the items, and I'll make the x-axis how much? 2 meters, and the y-axis, let it be how much? 0.5. Let's see. and this one to be 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter, 1 meter. Okay, let me make this one a little bit less. Oh, I made a mistake. This one should be 1. Okay, like this. And what I will do is that I'll extract the x-axis, so it will take out this one. Okay, when I'm sure it's everything is okay, let me go up here and extrude or G. I will make something like this, and what I'm going to do is GZ and GZ like this. And what I'm going to do, I'll put here a cube and make a small opening and S X like this. So I'll put a Boolean, and I'll put this one here, and I'll say differences, and I'll delete this, and you see something like this happened. And I want to make a window here. I'll make this one a little bit bigger, and what I'm going to do is that I'll select this, and I'll say Boolean and select this one and difference and apply and delete this one. You see I created something like this, and I can put a door here. Okay, I can put a door here. For example, let's do something like this. In y-axis 90 degrees like this, sy something like this, and gz s, no, let me go inside of it. Let's do something like this. Okay, and it's done, I think. Yeah, like this. You can do something like this. Okay, I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.